I was searching for something that I could give my patients to help augment what they were already taking to help lower their cholesterol. So when I found out about BioLife Slim, I thought, this is the answer. Could it be? And so I tried it on patient after patient, and over the last 6 months, after about giving 350 patients BioLife Slim to take twice a day, 15 to 20 minutes before they eat their lunch and dinner, I have found amazing benefits with this product. I am deeply concerned about the face of medicine and where we're going, and our practices as subspecialists, as primary care, OBGYN. All of my friends, I watch them as we are struggling with maintaining our practice the way that we know that we should, providing high quality care to our patients in a world of declining reimbursement. How can we provide our patients the same level of care if we're not allowed to? And what if the great doctors in this country leave? What if they stop practicing medicine? Who is going to take care of the next generation and the next generation? What will happen to healthcare in this country if there's no one to provide it? So I found in BioLife Slim and this company of Unicity a means of bringing life back not only to the patients but to the practices that are beginning to slowly die, as if they had vascular disease, as if they were losing their lifeblood, because that's exactly what's happening. So BioLife Slim can inject a new life into the patient and then subsequently into the practice that's taking care of them.